Be ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this annual general meeting of your company. It is with regret that I have to report that the profit of this year have not been as good as last year's. Of course, last year's were record profits. The sales have continued to show an upward trend and were better than the last year's mark. Your directors have recommended to maintain the dividend at 15% on equity share capital. Para, the performance of any company is naturally continued by the environment in which it operates. Last year, Indian industry was overtaken by recession and a number of enterprises suddenly found themselves confronted with a fall in demand, rising cost, and increase in stocks, and eventually were forced to cut down production. Commercial vehicles and tractors, automobile tires, and electrical appliances, paper and textile were some of the major industries which come directly under the spell of recession. Major company operations like textile and units in Rajasthan were affected not only recession but also by surface power cuts. Para, we are not the only country which has been invaded by necessary forces. As a matter of fact, in the last 2 years, almost all the industrialized countries have been facing recession. We have been saved so far partially because our economy is somewhat insulted from such international trends and partly because growth to us is a compelling necessity. There is something wrong somewhere which has disturbed the equilibrium and forced the industry to move backward instead of going forward. I am aware that the present industrial situation cannot be adequately described by a single phenomenon like recession. There are many other factors in operation which have made the problem a little complex. For instance, there have been excessive imports which can be described as dumping following our liberalized import policy and the recession abroad. Power shortage continues in most of the states. Our foreign exchange earnings have not increased and the reserve have come down to an alarm low level. Industrial relations are disturbing and have taken a gigantic form in Bombay. We have to view these trends in the perspective of the development set out in the sixth five-year plan. It was hoped that the average rate of growth of industrial production would be little over 8%. I was the opinion at the time that even this growth was small in comparison with both our needs as also potentialities. However, looking at the trends that have emerged, it appears that even the targets set out by the Planning Commission would be difficult to achieve. Para, our industrial development in the 50s and 60s was largely guided by import substitution. This strategy has certainly paid dividends. Our industrial base was diversified and a number of new products came to be manufactured. Stop.